Have you ever pondered upon the thought of how high sugar diets and processed foods might be impacting the brain health of our children? It's a question that often goes unasked, yet the answers are startling. Picture this, a child, not unlike many others, struggling with an invisible enemy. This enemy is not a monster under the bed nor a villain in a comic book. It's something far more insidious and commonplace. It's a daily battle with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, or ADHD. Just like superheroes, these children face challenges that test their limits. They strive to focus, to sit still, to keep their impulses in check. Their minds, much like a city under siege, are in constant turmoil. But where there are heroes, there are also villains. In this tale, our villains are high sugar diets and processed foods. These villains sneak into the lives of our young ones, dressed as sweet treats and easy meals. They wreak havoc, causing overstimulation and contributing to conditions like ADHD. The science is clear. These foods can cause inflammation, oxidative stress, and alter the gut microbiota, all of which have potential impacts on brain function and behavior. But fear not, for in every good tale, there's a hero that rises to the challenge. And in this narrative, that hero is molecular hydrogen. Yes, the same hydrogen that's the most abundant element in the universe. But when it's in its molecular form, it reveals its superpowers. Molecular hydrogen, much like a Caped Crusader, swoops in to save the day. It combats oxidative stress, reduces inflammation, and even has the potential to improve brain health. Studies have shown that it can cross the blood-brain barrier, protecting the brain from harmful substances. It's a hero on a mission to safeguard our children's brains from the harmful effects of a high-sugar diet and processed foods. Just as every superhero has their origin story, so does molecular hydrogen. It's a tale of scientific discovery, of countless studies and experiments. It's a tale of potential and hope as researchers continue to unravel the many benefits of this remarkable molecule. In essence, this is a tale of triumph, the triumph of molecular hydrogen over the villains of high sugar diets and processed foods. It's a story that parallels the struggles of children with ADHD, their daily battles, and their extraordinary resilience. In the grand scheme of things, this is more than just a story. It's a testament to the power of science and a call to arms for better dietary habits for our children. It's a reminder that sometimes the smallest things, like molecules of hydrogen, can make the biggest difference. So here's to molecular hydrogen, our unsung hero. Here's to the researchers, the parents, and most importantly, the children who fight their battles every day, just like superheroes. They are the real heroes in this story, the ones who inspire us to strive for better, for healthier, for a future where every child can thrive.